I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics, then act. Check that your iPhone 17 Pro Max is updated and your carrier supports eSIM. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and cellular because activation often uses internet. Make sure you have the carrier QR code, numeric activation code, or ICSID at hand. Now open Settings, tap Cellular, and choose Add eSIM. This direct path skips guesswork and moves you into the only supported setup flow for this model. You now scan the QR or enter the provided details manually. Tap Add Cellular Plan and use the camera to scan the carrier QR or select Enter Details manually to type the SM setup/ICSID and activation code. Pay attention and verify the carrier and plan name shown on screen because mismatches cause provisioning failures. Once submitted, the iPhone contacts the carrier to provision the eSIM. Make sure Wi-Fi stays connected and do not reboot or toggle airplane mode while provisioning runs. You finish by labeling the new eSIM and choosing defaults for voice, data, and iMessage. This prevents conflicts if you later add another line. Once active, test by making a call, sending an SMS, and loading a web page. Confirm 4G/5G indicator and carrier name. If activation stalls, restart the phone first, then reset network settings as a key troubleshooting step. This clears cached profiles and forces re-provisioning. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.